Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help FANS Wethu TV get to 40,000 subscribers. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Mamelodi Sundowns won. AmaTuks won. Mamelodi Sundowns wins via penalties. I'm joined by fan. My brother, what's your name and where you from?
Ekse follow from Mabopane branch, my brother.
Yeah, Ekse, you want to my brother.
Truly speaking, AmaTuks, they did the research well.
Yeah.
Their game plan today was on point.
True.
They nearly show us flame.
They nearly.
It's just a matter of experience. They don't have that experience.
Yeah,
but experience I give us like predicate day. Exactly. But my
brother, what's wrong with Sundowns? Like, let's draw Tuks. What's the issue with Sundowns?
Issue of Sundowns, man, is these guys, man, they are tired, man. Game after game, fatigue, yeah.
It's more so the players are tired.
They are tired. They need to rest.
Because like management, coach, in particular,
coach management, we are okay.
Yeah.
Problem is okay, man.
Baving.
Bale. Bale ba number 9. Ko PSL.
Hi man, Bale
ba go nitshurene seng rena. Ana bothata ba management.
Kaizer Chiefs ile.
Ke bona ba le problem of management. Now we are okay.
Kaizer Chiefs ile. Ake ba tsebi ka le.
Oh mali mzala. Sikinka yona. Abi mabota na le ditsebe. Mabota na le ditsebe.
Man of the match.
Man of the match, eh?
Yeah.
Goalkeeper AmaTuks #1.
Yeah.
Marlon Twaninyane Mapena.
Yeah. Nchako na na account ya Nedbank.
Kirile fru. Kachen.
Wa register on Nedbank.
Se ke swipe ile pheke ga yo. Le pheke ke 300 ke fitile 50.
Wena mo tshwelete wena.
Le no ke sa ya.
Cinema.
And
then at the end of the season, you can stand a chance to win a share of 5 million. 5 million. Chiefs get 5 million.
Oh, go on. Go on. Thank you.